Hello everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon to everyone. It's me again, Lovable Girl. This is my work this night. Because I will go to the church tomorrow. I am the person who assigned the tithes, no? Like I am the one to lead them tomorrow, if God's will. So we will find here in Leviticus. What is in Leviticus ba? Leviticus. Leviticus. What is Leviticus in Filipino? So according to Leviticus chapter 27 verse 30, where it says, a tithes of the produce of the land, whether green or fruit, is the Lord's and is holy. So that's what I am going to share it tomorrow. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. By the way, God bless you and keep safe always. Bye bye. By the way, I'm your lovable girl. Have a good day, have a good night, and God bless everyone. Bye bye.